Well, it was all that I could do to keep from crying. Sometimes it seems so useless to remain, but you don't have to call me darling, darling, darling. You never even told me by my name. You don't have to call me Waylon James. You don't have to call me Jordan Knight. You don't have to call me Merle Haggard anymore. Even though I'm on your fighting side, so I'll hang around as long as you will let me. And I never mind you standing in the rain, but you don't have to call me darling, darling. You never even call me by my name. But I've heard my name a few times in your phone book, and I've seen it on signs out front where I play, like right here to show this big place. But the only time I know I'll hear a Billy Bob show is when Jesus has his bombs out of the day. But I'll still hang around as long as you will let me. And I never mind standing in the rain. Oh, such a country, I'm a baby, don't have to call me darling, darling. You never even call me by my name. You know, folks, we here at Showbiz Pizza Place think this is the perfect country song, with no exceptions. Right, Baby Bird? Now, what's the matter? Well, there's an exception. I don't think that song says anything about clocks or prisoners. You're right, Looney Bird, and it can't be a perfect country song if it doesn't say something about that, does it? No, it can't. Okay, so let's rewrite the song for everybody as if they haven't heard this before, and sing it in such a way that it will now become the most perfect country song ever to be written. I was drunk the day my mom got out of prison. Folks, so I went to bed up in the rain. Oh, but before I knew that taking my pickup got run over by a dark old boat. Darling.